Alright everybody, welcome to
J&K Getaway.
Today we're here at
Icon Park in Orlando.
The Illusion Museum that's right next, Museum of Illusions, right?
Yeah.
So it's right next to the Eye in the Sky here at Icon Park. The Madame Tussauds. We're here right by the Sea Life Aquarium, the Illusion Museum of Illusion, whatever you want to call it. But thank you so much for being part of our
Getaway.
So check us out next time. We're going to take you through it, see all the illusions that you can see. So right now we're in the illusion area. Okay, so I'm gonna act like I'm gonna be climbing while I'm falling down.
So it's an illusion of your eyes. Which one looks larger? This one, right? Which orange is larger? Which one do you think?
I'm thinking.
They're the same size. But this one's encased by a larger black outline. That's why.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I read it.
Which one's this one?
It appears to be different lengths. But they're not, because this one goes out and this one's going in. Same size. Same size. 2 discs. One disc is static and one disc is rotated. When rotated, the patterns on the disc interfere and overlapping patterns produce not one, but an infinite number of illusions. It's like a kaleidoscope! Kaleidoscope! I miss it. Hello? 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 That's pretty cool. This one is a sphere with all kinds of edges and like kind of like half squares, I guess. But because of the light and how fast it's moving, it looks like it's morphing as it goes. Okay. Okay, that is so stinking cool. It looks like all the cubes are rolling upwards. Oh.
Hey. Hey.
See?
There's 2 McKenna.
It's the same thing as 3 glasses.
What about the curtain? What about that one right there?
I don't know. I don't see anything about it.
Go ahead, take it and I'm gonna go. What about that? They got curtains. I don't know what they are.
You have to get into the right depth of how close you're to it, and then it says stare at the black dots, but I don't see any black dots. But it says keep staring,
You have to get
and
lost.
once you see them,
You have to get lost in.
you'll be able to see them.
Can you find the black dots?
Oh, I see it.
You see?
I see
You
it.
got lost. Please push.
Rotate the object by moving the handle left or right. Is it a square or is it a circle?
This is hard. Okay. Circle. I don't see it.
I don't see it either. Stare at the black dot in the center. The gray area around it should seem to disappear.
So you gotta stare at the black dot for 30 seconds. Okay, you gotta get lost. Okay, the gray around the dot will seem to shrink and disappear. Do you see it shrinking and disappearing? I don't. I don't get it. Infinite Joes. This is great stuff. And Kevin's. Look at all the Kevin. This is awesome. This is awesome. Alright, I'm getting busy and nauseous, so we're gonna get out of the infinite room. Okay, we need to beat feet.
Okay.
There you go. It's all done.
Cool.
Over here.
The other side.
Oh.
Yeah.
Dude, look there. Here. This is.
Oh!
Switch. Yeah. I don't see it.
You're supposed to spot body parts.
Oh. I have your lips and mouth. And then I have your boobs.
Kaleidoscope Joe!
Kaleidoscope Joe.
Oh, that was cool. Do it again. Oh.
this a mirror?
No.
Can we go up through here? Yeah? Oh my god.